Drive up to 74 River Valley Drive. You might think you've entered a park. The charming home sits in a breathtaking setting under a pristine canopy of mature trees on almost an acre in Riverbend Estates. This property takes curb appeal to a whole new level with wide open spaces and privacy. Walk up to this home and you'll see what makes this a true great escape with heated pool, brick-lined patio, and arbor. Step into the front door and you'll find a wide-open center hall with marble tile. To the right, through the French doors, there's a large den or office with a bay window and stone fireplace with gas logs. The dining room is just off the kitchen. The open floor plan has abundant natural light from the family room to the kitchen. Speaking of the kitchen, here you'll find a cook stream with upgraded new appliances including a Viking gas cooktop, a Thermador double oven, and large GE refrigerator, all topped off with new black Galaxy granite and a breakfast bar. Follow the gleaming wood floors into the family room with a skylight and stone fireplace. Step down into the large marble-tiled hearth room with Anderson wood sliding doors to invite the outdoors in. Outside one of the doors, you'll find a welcoming screened porch overlooking the wooded yard. Also on the first floor, you'll find a master bedroom suite, complete with new ceiling fan and master bath with double vanity, a separate shower, and jacuzzi tub. There's also his and hers closets. Travel upstairs, you'll find generous guest quarters with attached bath. Down the hall, 2 more bedrooms, one with a walk-in closet. Don't miss the updated hall bath with new vanity and granite countertops. A second floor landing could be a great well-lit work area for a computer desk. Downstairs to the partially finished basement, you'll find a bar, pool table, and wide-open recreation area. Riverbend Estates is one of the original Chesterfield neighborhoods with a community pool and tennis courts. There are social events throughout the year. Wooded, private, and park-like, 74 River Valley Drive is a rare find right in the heart of Chesterfield.